Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the tools, now begin. Stand outside the door and measure the width at the top first, then at the middle, then at the bottom. Record all three values and label them. Why 3? Frames are often out of square, so multiple measurements show the smallest usable opening. Once done, mark the smallest width as the working width. Make sure to keep the tape straight and the 0 at the interior edge. A crooked tape gives wrong numbers. Next, turn to height. Measure from the top of the threshold up to the underside of the head jamb at left, center, and right. Again, use the smallest measurement for ordering. Then measure frame depth so the screen fits flush, right down the reveal width where the screen will sit. Also check the threshold for slope or raised sill and measure clearances under the door. These details determine hinge placement and whether you need a sill adapter, so don't skip them. Finish by compiling your notes. Final width equals the smallest of the 3 width measurements. Final height equals the smallest height. Add the manufacturer's recommended clearance if needed. Specify frame depth and handedness when ordering, and include photos. If you plan to cut a standard screen, subtract 1/8 to 3/16 inch as appropriate for spline and frame fit. Troubleshooting tip: if the opening is out of square, don't force a standard size. Order an adjustable or custom screen based on the 3 recorded measurements to avoid gaps or binding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.